Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to view your Walmart purchase history. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, your account, and your shopping cart in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and view your Walmart purchase history. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these steps. First of all, as I already told you, you need to go and log into your Walmart account. Then navigate to your purchase history. Basically click on the top right corner on your account and there you can find your purchase history. Then you need to review your purchases. You can see all your online purchases and any in-store purchases linked to your account. For in-store purchases, make sure to scan your receipt using the Walmart app or use a payment card saved in your Walmart account to automatically add it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.